It's easier to shovel when it looks like this outside.
The trees are
Snow. There are a lot of more fun ways to be in the snow than this today, for sure. But it's not super heavy and dense where you can't move it, but it's also not the lightest, fluffiest. So it's perfectly normal, beautifully sticking to the trees.
I got the call early this morning for a snow day. I'm a high school English teacher, so it's pretty exciting. No matter how old I get, no matter how many years I've been teaching, I still get excited about a snow day. I'm continuing to shovel all day and trying to get the ice cleared up so keep the dogs from making a mess inside the house. Henry, no. It's good packing snow. We made some snowballs to throw to the dogs. They're enjoying the day too. So I saw some kids throwing snowballs earlier. So I think it's perfect packing snow.